RP Jew, you know, GED nigga, get $8. That nigga boo, get with it to get lost. Real talk, you dig? Here we go. I just sit back and smoke, gon' blow me a L to think about all my niggas dead I in jail. Looking at the sky like I don't wanna be here. Reminiscing about my brother when we were just kids. Everything was for the taking. I'm out here trying to make it. Only thing my mama want for us to attend your graduation. Only one survived that, so I'm out here chasing stack. My man on a mission, and these niggas trying to backtrack. My mama raised some cheese chasing niggas, but they not rat. Solid like an 8-ball, them OG was stacking. These youngins tried to take it off the streets cold, so I wore my 9 like my vest out. They see me clamming, shaking the ladder, trying to make me fall. This shit is crazy. Niggas acting like ladies, these niggas acting like them. Some niggas thinking I'm bullshit, but niggas don't want them. So my niggas, they cock up and go ahead hit them. This shit for real though. My niggas, they kill though. These niggas hustle for hard, my niggas to feel yo.